Welcome back mga kapuso dito sa live finale ng Survivor Philippines Celebrity Showdown. Bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang pasalamatan ng ilan pa sa ating celebrities na nakipagsapalaran sa isla. Princess Nell, Doc Birds Resho, Micah Flores, Buhawi Ineses, Karen de los Reyes, Miko Aitona, at Ian Batherson. Let's give it up for the cast-offs. Mga kapuso, dito sa Survivor Philippines, mahalaga ang tungkuling ginagampanan ng mga jury. Sila ang may kapangyarihang magdesisyon kung sino ba talaga ang karapat-dapat tanghaling kauna-unahang Celebrity Soul Survivor at mag-uuwi ng 3 million pesos tax-free. Pero bago ang lahat ng yan, mag-usap muna tayo. Sa puntong ito, Final 3, bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon na kumbinsihin ang ating jury members kung bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat na manalo ngayong gabi. Akihiro, mauna ka na.
I give my very best to stay in this game. I give my heart. I want to show to the audience a clean fight. We can play in the Survivor, and then we can show the right thing, right decisions. And then I work hard in the camp. You guys know, you've been watching the show, and I won many challenges. So I give my really best in my heart to stay in this game. And thank you guys.
Maraming salamat, Akihiro. Ervic, it's your turn.
Lahat kami deserving manalo dito. Lahat kami pare-parehong gustong manalo dito. Pero sana sa pagpili nyo kung sino gusto nyong manalo dito, sana makita nyo kung sino yung pinaka-nangangailangan ng titulo, sino may pinaka-nangangailangan ng premyong mapapanalunan dito, at sana makita nyo kung sino yung may pinaka-naglaro ng game na Survivor. Survivor to, dito kung ano-anong game lang. Sana naintindihan.
Maraming salamat, Ervic. Solen?
Well, first of all, you shouldn't be judged on where you come from because you're in Survivor, a game where you have to outwit, outlast, and outplay. I outwitted because I came from a broken tribe and broke a lot of my alliances and had to find new ones. And I'm the only Magan standing amongst two Sarmais tonight. I outplayed because I went to every single tribal council of this season except for one, and I'm still here tonight. And outlasted because I'm the only girl standing, the last girl standing in all the challenges at it.
Maraming salamat, Solen. Maraming salamat, Final 3. Bibigyan din namin ng pagkakataon ang mga kaibigan at mahal sa buhay ng ating Final 3 na kausapin ang ating jury members ngayong gabi. Simulan natin kay Mr. Louis Yusaf, ang dad ni Solen. You may speak, sir.
What is the question? Okay, why Solen deserve it? First, because she proved herself worth. Then she is fair, she is cool, and she's my daughter. and the last, a mom, a brother here, we loved her. And you know, that was the first time I was in front of the TV every night. I had to, otherwise I was in trouble. So, Solen, I wish you good, and I want to thank everybody as well because you have been fair game. You are incredible. Of course, I prefer the ladies, but you guys, you have done good too. So, congratulations.
Maraming salamat. Ngayon naman, bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng kaibigan ni Aki na si Joseph De Leon. Anong message mo sa ating jury?
First of all, good evening. Lahat tayo alam natin dito kung sino kami kailangan ng pera. And that is Nanay Elma. Second from that, who really needs the money is Akihiro. I know him. I know his family. So, kailangan niya. And from... And out of everybody, I know si Akihiro lang magbibigay ng pera sa charity kung manalo siya. And let me just clear something. Akihiro is not a liar. He acts with the heart.
Maraming salamat, Joseph. Ngayon naman, bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang nanay ni Ervic na si Tita Vicky na magsalita.
Sa lahat ng mga jury, alam nyo naman kung ganong ang mga pinaghirapan nyo lahat. At si Ervic naman ay nakita nyo na ayos naman ang ginawa. Kaya nakikiusap ako sa inyo na sana bigyan natin ng chance si Ervic dahil talagang malaking paghihirap ang ginawa niya para makasali dito sa Survivor. Sana anak, lahat ng mga naririnig mo mga negative comments sa'yo, huwag mo intindihin nyo, basta kami, buong pamilya, buong pagsuporta sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin and we're so proud of you. Good luck. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Tita Vicky. Members of the jury, nasa inyong mga kamay ang kapalaran ng ating Final 3 ngayong gabi. Jury members, handa na ba kayong bumoto?
Yes.
Yes. Gagawin natin yan sa pagbabalik ng Survivor Philippines Celebrity Showdown Live Finale.